Hi everybody, Danny here. Well, in this segment, we're going to kind of switch gears a little bit and we're going to work with acrylics. So let's head on over to the easel and see how we can paint a waterfall using acrylic paint. I'll meet you there. And here we are. Good to have you again with me. Okay, I'm going to take some white and just put just a touch of blue in it and just a touch of black in it. So we've got a really light bluey gray type color. Okay, now I'm going to come up here to where the water is, and you see right away quick, that looks like water. Okay, that looks like the kind of the reflected light off of water, and that's what we're looking for. And we're just going to come down just like this with the acrylic. Okay, and down here where it's kind of roiling away like water does, we'll just let it roil away just like that. Okay, and then we can come out and we can take some blue and we can take some black out here just like this and just dabble around a little bit like that. Okay, because all of this is going to join together. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come back in here, okay, and we're just going to take some of that blue and some of that black into the mixture. Okay, we don't want it too strong, but we got to have it. Then we'll come down here, okay, and we can come up here, and this is where we can actually start pulling down some of our motion lines. Whatever that water's doing, see, we're just scraping it in just like that. Just like we did with the watercolor, except we're a little bit darker here with the acrylic. And there you go. That's all there is to it. Now tomorrow we will get going on our acrylic painting in earnest. So be with me tomorrow. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, leave me a comment, and we'll see you tomorrow. And remember, I love you, I love you, I love you.